It seems as if we've had a complaint. We had a person in the comments that apparently hasn't watched our previous 2 videos where I publicly said go long, that I'm going long on Bitcoin and long on EOS USD. And they said it was sickening that I have a trade group that has a small, fair, one-time, lifetime cost to join, where you see 95% of my trades. Shame on me. So, I figured, alright, there's a couple things I can share on why I have decided to... I have a surprise for you. Long again, 120,000, 15x leverage at 55.50, where many others would say, are saying they're waiting. Oh, what do you know? You mean Sonny Decrees in his newest video says, let's wait and see what happens next? Do you mean wait for it to go to 5,800 and then you're gonna long and then you're gonna wait again and wait again? I'm telling you. Haven't you felt that you've waited long enough? You're telling me you want to wait? That you cannot see the data that is in front of thee? So I'm gonna give a couple tricks up my sleeve of what I'm just staring at. A couple things I'm using right now. Number 1, the macaroon. We are on the 2 hourly. The macaroon, orange on top, blue on bottom. Long story short, this means the gas tank's got some gas. She's got some gas. How can you, quote unquote, you can back test it yourself just by looking at previous history. 2 notches, 1, 2, and 2 notches on the bottom. What's going to happen next? Well, let's see when we've seen 2 notches on top and 2 notches on the bottom, right? Like right here. Okay, that was before it went up more. Right here, before it went up more. So on and so forth. That's the long story short with the macaroon. You're welcome. D, Chinese, Chong, indicator, custom, developed, implemented, exclusively on this channel. It's showing we have room. It's showing we have room. Now, the stochastic RSI for the scrubs, your average person's gonna go, oh, it's running out of gas. It should go down more. It can't go up any higher, can it? This is exactly what I want to see. Your average person is waiting and scared, shaking to get back in, which is okay. I'm not saying anyone's a bad person for not going in and waiting. I could certainly be wrong. This could dump and I could be wrong. Man enough to admit it. It could certainly happen. Anything can happen. Our EOS USD. This is prime for a big move. Prime for a big move. Again, EOS to USD, not EOS to BTC. In fact, let's take a look-see at EOS to BTC and see, see, Bitcoin's going one way. Bitcoin, EOS can't catch up. This is why, for example, with bot trading, bots are getting wrecked right now trading in Bitcoin pairs, or maybe even ETH pairs, I don't even know, but that's why I said man, trading to USD is much easier. There's the dollar stays stable, EOS waves. If you're trading Bitcoin against a shitcoin, both are moving can move two directions. It's like two balls and a rubber band in between, and they're trying to pull to get it together. Where it will go, I do not know, but I'm confident that it's at least going to go upwards. So for those of you who are gleaming and wishing and hoping for some sort of target, what do you think? If it goes up $100, $200, what would that be? 50, 5,700, 5,600, 5,800? One nice green wick could get us up there. So I'm open. Do I have to close my whole position at one time? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I can take 20% out, 30% out. I can do whatever I want. You can do whatever you want. It's your money. You are in control. Nobody else. So another follower of mine, this one, you know, this one wasn't hating, a different one. He's like, how come you don't show your Bybit trades and yada yada yada? If you're in the whale crew, sometimes I show my trades. I'm not here to prove anything to anyone. When I say that I'm trading 200K or 300K or 400K, I'm not trying to prove anything to anyone. I'm already proven. My track record's already proven. I've been doing this shit publicly for over a year, okay, on this YouTube channel. I got hundreds and hundreds of people. So, go on, Sonny. Go on, Moon Boys. You can wait. Keep waiting. Always waiting. When's the last time they said, I'm pulling the trigger now, entering now? I have seen Sonny and do one long. It was like, what, maybe a month ago or 3 weeks ago? I saw him, but it was after the fact he showed it. He didn't announce he was doing it. Now, I'm not hating on him for I'm not saying everyone has to come out and say what they're doing all the time, but just mind who you're listening to and who's really in the fight and who is not. If you were president, if you were commander-in-chief, and you had 3 or 4 generals, 3 of them never seen combat, but they're popular in politics. And there's a place for that, but one general has been through war and has won far many battles than he has lost. Which one's going to be your wartime general? So, I am entered. Now I'm gonna wait. Now we wait.